This low-key challenge idea is getting really tough to figure out.
You'd think that coming up with an easy challenge would be easy, but no.
I'm thinking something simple, but that can go in any direction.
Well, sir, why don't you look at the ideas so far? Maybe the idea's right in front of you.
Nah. Hey, wait. What if the idea's been right in front of me all along?
I just said that.
All right, guys. I thought up a challenge that's going to be really cool and good.
And good?
I know. I've outdone even myself. This challenge is a hedge maze containing a multitude of potential paths. Each intersection will force you to make a choice. It's sure to be a maze.
Boo!
Hey guys, do you hear that? No knee slap. It's just not the same without Cheesy around. And I couldn't be happier.
All I hear is a terrible game show